What's up guys? Today I'm going to be talking about something specific that happened in the stock market and giving you guys an update on the stimulus bill, which has some very big events that just happened to it. So to dive right into it, what happened? Well, recently the stock market just crashed down. As you can see here, what happened here specifically is it just dropped almost about 600 points and just stabilized from there. So what actually happened here? Well, it's very simple. Trump tweeted out that he is going to be canceling the stimulus bill and all future negotiations about this. So what does that mean? Well, let's read what he basically said. Nancy Pelosi is asking for $2.4 trillion to bail out poorly run high-crime Democrat states. Money that is in no way related to COVID-19. We made a very generous offer of $1.6 trillion, and as usual, she's not negotiating in good faith. I'm rejecting the request and looking to the future of our country. I've instructed my representatives to stop negotiating until after the election, when immediately after I win, we will pass a major stimulus bill that focuses on hard-working Americans and small business. Basically, this means small business owners and employees are screwed, and there are going to be some companies specifically that will benefit from this a lot. Our job as investors, and my job to help you out to get in front of the news, is to give you ideas and understand what this would mean for specific companies, as this will hurt small business owners and this will hurt employees. There's specific companies that will be winning from this. Well, let's think about it. Let's say small businesses are going down. Little markets, little shops, who are going to be winners of that? Or for example, employees, they are not going to be getting their paychecks. What are they going to be doing? They're going to be shopping for lower cost goods. So there are specific stocks that are actually going to be winning from this. And then there are companies like the Home Depot and Lowe's, because these are companies that earn more from because they're a provider for a lot of different home supplies. And these small business owners that can't open up, they can't sell their supplies, these stores will be able to win from that because they also have an online platform for it. For example, Walmart, Costco, Target, these are supermarkets that are aiming to win from these employees that are going to be more restricted with cash. Amazon is going to be winning on the online side. Yum Brands and Chipotle are also like food brands that are going to be winning from this. So there's specific companies that are looking to benefit a lot from this happening, and that's where you should aim towards investing towards. The online side, large conglomerate tech companies are going to be winning from this, and that is where you as an investor should be focusing on in investing if this does not go through. But just to give you some information as well, on the side there are talks about saving specific industries that are still happening. So for example, Trump also tweeted out, if I am sent standalone bill for stimulus checks, $1,200, they will go out to our great people immediately, and I'm ready to sign right now. Are you listening, Lancy? Basically, this means that stimulus checks would still go out. So that would mean that small businesses would be protected for a small part. But also, he's sent out, the House and Senate should immediately approve $25 billion for airline payroll support. As I explained in my last video, the airlines were furloughing employees in hopes of a stimulus bill that might not happen, but this is still going through. But if they could protect that, they would still be able to get those employees back. And $135 billion for paycheck protection program for small businesses. So that basically means that they would be able to protect the small businesses in general. But the chances of this succeeding are varying, and you need to keep a good eye out on this. If this does go through, that will hurt Amazon stocks or hurt all the big tech conglomerates. But this, if does not go through, they will basically be the winners after this. So a lot of interesting things that are happening up. My advice right now is to keep a very close eye towards what's going to be happening, and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that type of content, because I'm going to be following this very narrowly. And if this does go through, then the stocks like Amazon are going to be hurt a little bit more than what was expected, and that they're going to have a more focus towards value stocks instead of growth stocks that are going to be the winners from here. So guys, if you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and comment below what you think of this situation and what you think is going to be happening. I appreciate you guys coming through, and I'm going to be adding some videos here for you to watch further if you're more interested in learning about investing.